Now let's choo-choo back to the clubhouse.
Hey, look! It's the train! He's train. No, it's in the clubhouse!
I'm just asking for a little help for once in my life.
Look, there's a bag to the clubhouse!
Oh, get out of here! Not you too!
Whoa! Look, there's a new back to the clubhouse! Hop, 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 hop! Back to the clubhouse, the Mickey Mouse clubhouse! Yeah! 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 Woo! Oh no! From new train, we in a crash. The hot car has no reason to boom boom crash. The diamond car has no reason to boom boom crash. And the hexagon car boom boom crash. Quillbow's gone. Chippendale's gone. Santa's gone. All the cars gone. Wait, what is this? It's a door. And doors are opening and closed.